This video will go into Drake's multifaceted lifestyle and examine various aspects that have helped to establish him as a true cultural phenomenon and a leading figure in the entertainment business. Let's get going. Drake's musical career have been nothing short of spectacular, rising from modest beginnings to become one of the most well-known and popular musicians in the world. He began his path to success as an actor on the well-known Canadian TV series Degrassi: The Next Generation on October 24, 1986 in Toronto, Canada. However, it was his entrance into the music industry that would propel him to global fame and immense fortune. The release of his mixtapes Room for Improvement in 2006 and Comeback Season in 2007 marked the beginning of his musical adventure. These early endeavors showed his flexibility as a rapper and singer and brought him to the attention of the hip-hop scene. Drake's breakthrough came in 2009 with the release of the mixtape So Far Gone, which featured singles like Best I Ever Had and Successful. The success of the mixtape led to Drake signing with Young Money Entertainment, which was formed by rapper Lil Wayne. Drake's debut studio album, Thank Me Later, was released in 2010 and it debuted at the top of the Billboard 200 chart. The success of the album in terms of sales established his status as a rising star in the music business. Later, he released albums that were more commercially successful, such as Take Care in 2011, Nothing Was the Same in 2013, and Views in 2016. He has won 4 Grammy Awards, 34 Billboard Music Awards, and one of the most best-selling music artists of all time, with over 170 million records sold worldwide. Drake's position as a dominant figure in the music industry was further cemented by the critical praise and economic success of each album. The distinctive fusion of reflective lyrics, contagious melodies, and genre-defying style has found a home with listeners all around the world. His wide range of fans are committed to him because of his ability to swing between rap and R&B elements easily. Drake has worked with many musicians in a variety of genres in addition to releasing music on his own, thereby extending his influence in the music business. Let's now talk about his multiple sources of income that contribute to the luxury lifestyle that we were going to talk about. His income grew as his music career did. Drake has made significant money during his career as a result of his enormous success as a recording artist, songwriter, and producer. He has made millions of dollars in music sales and streaming royalties thanks to his multi-platinum albums and countless hit singles. His concert tours have also been very profitable, with sold-out performances and expensive tickets contributing to his financial success. Drake's profits have also been greatly boosted by his commercial endeavors and sponsorship deals. He co-founded the music company OVO Sound in 2012, which has signed notable musicians like Drake, Party Next Door, Majid Jordan, and Roy Woods. The project has received recognition for its visual aesthetics, which is frequently distinguished by the use of black and gold, as well as for its distinctive sound, which combines hip-hop, R&B, and dancehall. Success for the label goes beyond only music releases. In addition, OVO Sound has organized its own OVO Fest, a yearly music festival in Toronto that draws prominent musicians and tens of thousands of fans from all over the world. The festival has grown in popularity and become a key date on the music calendar, further establishing its influence. OVO Sound has diversified into various business endeavors in addition to music. October's very own, or OVO, the label's own clothing line, offers fashionable and upscale clothing, footwear, and accessories. The OVO brand is popular among fashion aficionados and has come to be associated with premium streetwear. Additionally, OVO Sound's partnership with Jordan Brand, a division of Nike, has led to the development of a line of luxurious sneakers that are in high demand. The Jordan x OVO collaborations have grown in popularity among sneakerheads and increased the brand's influence in the fashion and street culture industries. Drake's lifestyle is a luxury one, but before we continue, please take your time to subscribe to our channel and stay updated for our future content. Let's return now to the conversation. He has also secured endorsement deals with major brands such as Nike, Apple, Sprite, and Virginia Black Whiskey, adding substantial income to his already impressive wealth. Forbes listed Drake as one of the highest paid hip-hop musicians in 2021, estimating his net worth at more than $180 million. He is now one of the wealthiest musicians in the world thanks to his enormous revenues, which bear witness to his continuing influence and financial acumen. In terms of his residences, there's still a lot to talk about. Our first tour of his home will go from his hometown of Toronto to Bridle Path. This is Drake's most famous home. The beautiful and exclusive area of Bridle Path has drawn high net worth people looking for privacy and luxury. Drake's mansion is just one of the lavish residences that make up the neighborhood's millionaire's row reputation. Visitors are welcomed by an ambitious, double-height ceiling decorated with glittering chandeliers and elaborate woodwork as soon as they reach the mansion's enormous lobby. Elegant and sophisticated, the main living areas are roomy and open. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to enter the interiors and provide breathtaking views of the planted gardens and spacious grounds. A grand staircase with handcrafted bronze railings leads to the higher stories. The property has luxurious amenities that suit a celebrity of Drake's rank. It features a home theater, a wine cellar, an indoor basketball court, a gymnasium, and a spa with a hot tub and sauna. The backyard has a gorgeous pool, a cabana by the pool, and lots of space for outdoor recreation and leisure. There are still a lot of houses that he owns, including Hidden Hills and Yolo Estate in California. The last subject we were going to cover was his collection of costly things, which included a limited edition Bugatti Veyron Sang Noir. The Veyron Sang Noir is a highly unique variation of the classic Bugatti Veyron and one of the most desired and expensive automobiles in the world. It is a masterpiece of engineering and power and provides a driving experience unlike any other. The terms Sang Noir means black blood in French, which wonderfully captures the character of this limited edition Bugatti. The Veyron Sang Noir, which debuted in 2008 as a limited production edition, was designed as a tribute to the famed Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic, one of the most well-known vintage vehicles in history. A gigantic 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine is housed under the hood of this car and is a feat of engineering. The Sang Noir can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.5 seconds and achieve a top speed of almost 250 miles per hour thanks to this engine's incredible 1,001 horsepower and 922 pound-foot of torque. Drake still has a lot in his garage. It includes the Ferrari 458 Italia, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren 722 edition. It is not just about the cars. The collection of Drake's luxury items includes a diamond-encrusted owl pendant, a watch, a chain, and a ring. He also owns his own Bombardier Challenger 605 and pairs of Jordan shoes in collaboration with OVO, as mentioned earlier. Well, that's a wrap for the luxurious lifestyle of Drake. If you learned something, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. This is Luxify.